Howdy, it's Greg McMurphy again, and this was that Quizlet tool I was talking about earlier. Um, what it is, it's really set up, I think it was set up originally to do flashcards, and it would work really well with doing flashcards for multiple languages or learning terms. So the idea is that you create a set of flashcards. This is a class-generated set of flashcards that I put together, much like I showed earlier with the exam view quiz, using a form in Google Docs and then just cutting and pasting into here. I probably don't need to show you that mechanical detail, but these are terms. I seeded, I had some terms that I wanted to make sure they covered, so I have some terms and definitions that I made sure there, and then let the students add terms that they thought were important for this group of lessons. In order to interface with these, you can either interface with them as cards, or you can interface this way, which is learn. Each term comes up and then you have to do the answer. So other fun things to do, there's a game called Scatter. The terms and definitions come up, and you have to grab electricity caused by heat. Let's see, that's thermoelectric effect. You grab the definition of the term, get them together, they disappear. 1 watt second, that looks like a joule. So you can go on like that. Positive charge goes with proton. Make all the terms disappear. You can also do an interface, a space erase interface, which plays like the old video game. Terms go across and you have to type in the right thing. And if it isn't typed in exactly right, then you stop and you have to type it in exactly right. So it's really, that interface isn't great unless you're actually trying to get terms spelled exactly right. The test interface is pretty good for our kind of questions because you can choose different types of questions: written, matching, multiple choice, true, false. You can start with either the term or the definition. So I like to use, just for a review of terms, a matching is good. I can reconfigure it. And if you have a large set, I think it has a default you can change the 20 matching questions. If you have more than 20 items, you'll get randomly generated sets of matching questions to do. So that's kind of Quizlet in a nutshell. It has this is the free version. You can be registered as an instructor and have students on the free version, and then I'm not sure what the limitations are and when you would want to pay, but it works pretty well even on the free version. There you go. Have any more questions, give me a holler.